Hello, welcome to English Story. Number 1. An important lesson. One day, while I was playing video games in the computer, somebody knocked my room door. It was a regular day, and I supposed my mother was going to tell me that the dinner was ready. So I decided just to open the door. When I did it, all the lights were off, and I didn't have any idea about what was going on. She told me to cover my eyes, and then we walked together through the hall, directly to the living room. I was trying to remember if that day was a special day, but I couldn't remember. When we got there, the lights turned on, and I could see all my family and friends there, and the big poster saying, "Happy birthday." How on earth could I forget that it had been my birthday that day? Since that moment, I decided to stop playing video games too much, and I started a new hobby. I took up soccer lessons, visit my friend more frequently, went to run, and ate healthier. I totally changed my mind. I had to, if I wanted to be happier. Number 2. A day I would like to forget. My name is Max, and I am an engineering student in the most important university in London. I go to college from Monday to Friday, and I am very punctual most of the time. There was a day which I arrived very late, and it was a horrible day for me. I was going to my classes as usually, but one friend told me that the teacher was sick and that he couldn't come to the class that day. I was a little confused because my teacher was very responsible and he had never been absent to classes before. Although I believed what my friend had told me, I wanted to make sure it was true. So I decided to ask in the director's office. I did it, and the director told me, "What? Didn't your teacher come to work?" And I said, "No, he didn't." It turned out that my teacher called one of our partners to tell him that he was going to be absent and asked him not to tell the director, because he was about to be fired if he was absent one more time. I didn't know that my teacher had gotten fired because of me, and I felt terrible.